Welcome to She News. Today, we bring you an exciting update that marks a significant milestone in India's transportation history. India is all set to produce its first ever locally made bullet trains, built on the Vande Bharat platform. This groundbreaking development represents a major step towards self-reliance and indigenous innovation in the country's rail network. So, what does this mean for India's future in high-speed rail travel? Let's dive into the details. India's state-owned Integral Coach Factory, or ICF, located in Chennai, has been assigned the task of manufacturing two standard gauge bullet trains this fiscal year. This comes in the wake of stalled negotiations with Japanese suppliers over pricing for train sets for the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail, Mysore, corridor. With this decision, India is gearing up to locally produce high-speed trains capable of running at speeds up to 250 km per hour for the very first time. Why is this news so important? For one, it represents a monumental shift towards self-reliance. Up until now, the plan was to source these train sets from Japanese companies, especially since the Japan International Cooperation Agency provided a significant financial loan to fund the project. However, the negotiations with Japanese suppliers, including giants like Hitachi and Kawasaki, have hit roadblocks, particularly over the pricing of the Shinkansen train sets, which are known for their speed and efficiency. Rather than wait indefinitely for an agreement, India has decided to take matters into its own hands. By assigning the ICF with the task of producing these bullet trains, India is taking a major step towards its goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat, or self-reliant India. The decision to locally manufacture these train sets is not only about cutting costs but also about building indigenous expertise, creating jobs, and bolstering the domestic economy. The move will help India develop its own capacity to produce high-speed trains, thus reducing dependence on foreign suppliers in the future. Now, let's talk about the Vande Bharat platform. This platform has been a game-changer for Indian Railways. The Vande Bharat Express, also known as Train 18, is India's first semi-high-speed train. Since its launch, it has received praise for its speed, comfort, and state-of-the-art features like fully air-conditioned coaches, automatic doors, and GPS-based passenger information systems. The decision to build the new bullet trains on the Vande Bharat platform is strategic. The Vande Bharat platform is already tried and tested, which allows the Integral Coach Factory to expedite the rollout of the new train sets. While the bullet trains will be designed for a higher speed of up to 250 km per hour, using a familiar platform reduces development time and minimizes the risks associated with creating a completely new design from scratch. So, what can we expect from these new bullet trains? The two standard gauge train sets assigned to the ICF will each consist of 8 cars, featuring a steel car body designed to withstand high speeds. The trains are expected to have a running speed of 220 km per hour, with a maximum speed capability of 250 km per hour. These trains will be tailored for the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail, Mysore, corridor, India's first sanctioned high-speed rail project. When fully operational, the Mysore will connect Mumbai and Ahmedabad, covering a distance of 508.17 kilometers in approximately 2 hours. This is a dramatic reduction from the current travel time of 9 hours by bus or 6 hours by conventional rail. While the announcement is exciting, it does come with its set of challenges. First and foremost, the ICF faces a tight timeline to deliver these train sets within the current fiscal year. Experts believe that while using the existing Vande Bharat platform will help speed up production, delivering high-speed train sets is no easy feat. High-speed trains require meticulous engineering, safety testing, and quality control to ensure that they meet international standards. Additionally, there's the challenge of infrastructure. High-speed trains require dedicated tracks, advanced signaling systems, and specialized maintenance facilities. While the construction of the Mumbai-Ahmedabad corridor is well underway, further investments in infrastructure will be necessary to fully integrate these trains into the Indian rail network. This development is not just about two new trains, it is a glimpse into India's broader vision for high-speed rail. The Mysore corridor is currently the only high-speed rail project sanctioned in India. However, if successful, it could pave the way for similar projects across the country, potentially revolutionizing the way Indians travel. High-speed rail offers numerous advantages over conventional rail. It is faster, more energy efficient, and environmentally friendly. By reducing travel time significantly, high-speed trains could change the dynamics of intercity travel, making it more convenient and attractive for passengers. Furthermore, it could help decongest India's roads and lower the carbon footprint associated with long-distance travel. Beyond transportation, the success of India's first locally made bullet trains could have far-reaching economic and social implications. The project is expected to create thousands of jobs in manufacturing, construction, and maintenance, boosting the local economy. Additionally, improved connectivity could spur economic development in the regions connected by high-speed rail, attracting investments, promoting tourism, and fostering regional integration. Moreover, this project could serve as a model for future public-private partnerships in infrastructure development. It shows that with the right strategy and political will, India can undertake ambitious projects that once seemed out of reach. In conclusion, the decision to build India's first locally made bullet trains on the Vande Bharat platform marks a significant leap forward for the country. It showcases India's growing confidence in its ability to innovate and produce world-class technology at home. While challenges remain, the benefits of this project far outweigh the hurdles. At She News, we believe that this move represents a defining moment in India's journey towards becoming a global leader in high-speed rail technology. It's not just about faster trains, it's about a more connected, efficient, and self-reliant India. Thank you for joining us today on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to She News for more updates on groundbreaking developments that empower and inspire. Outro: stay tuned to She News for more empowering stories that matter. See you next time.